Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down the laws that govern our online lives. Sound familiar? If so, you've just stepped right into the world of cyber law.
This was the huge puzzle the internet handed to old-school legal systems. It started with ARPANET, then just exploded into the massive, borderless world we know today.
To get a handle on things, new rules had to be written. India's IT Act is a big one.
So how do courts apply these rules? Well, they have three main ways of thinking about it. First up, the doctrinal approach. This one's simple. The law is the law. No wiggle room.
Then there's the consensual approach. When you click I agree, boom, it's a real contract.
And finally, the realist approach. This is where the law has to bend to keep up with tech.
Okay, but none of this works without trust, right? And that trust, it's all built on cryptography.
This tech uses digital keys to lock stuff up. There are two main flavors, public and private.
And the difference really matters. One key is fast, but using two keys is way more secure.
This is what makes digital signatures work, the kind that are just as legal as using pen and ink.
So what happens when people break the rules? Let's talk about actual cyber crimes.
The law covers all sorts of stuff, from hacking and phishing to straight-up identity theft.
And yep, do the crime, do the time. Some of these can land you in prison for life.
But it's not all about punishments. The law also protects your digital stuff, your actual ideas.
This is where intellectual property comes in, adapting old rules for software and digital inventions.
So you can see how cyber law has totally flipped old concepts for our digital-first world. Which leaves us with the million-dollar question. As tech moves faster, can the law actually keep up?